Hi, everybody. Hi, everyone. So today, this one is chapter one. Chapter one. So we introduction for the how we take a statistic. Um, like population or proportion and everything. So we have statistic. We have two statistic. One is descriptive statistic and inference so statistic. So in here, so we can this one we can go with the deeply for the statistic. What is statistic? The science, planning, study, and experience obtain data and organism, summarizing, presenting, analyzing, interpreting, and drawing conclusion based on the data. So this one, I can say this one is the important when we do this presentation, analyzing, interpreting, and drawing conclusions of the base. So description statistic. We have a consider method of organized and summarizing the data. This one look like when you're cooking, you cook a food or something, and describe the statistic. So this one I can say if we cook, so we can say this one um ingredient. So the thing and you want to cook ingredients. So ingredients. So ingredient. So we have the graphical representing. So this one is the histogram, or this one we can study in the chapter 2. So this one is histogram, and the bar graph. So and the next one, descriptive measures. So this one is for chapter 3. We will learn about that. So that one should be like have a mean, they have a median, and also they have the mode. So inferential statistic consider the method for the analyzing, interpreting, and drawing conclusion from the data. So interpret iterate in iterating description statistic. So this one we will learn in chapter 7, to chapter 10. And based on the probability data, so this one we will learn on chapter 4 and chapter 6. So basically we learn for the statistic, we have two things. We have a statistic and a population. So statistic basically just only the counting. Whatever we can do the algebra, we can do the with add, subtract, multiply, divide. I know right now we have other calculators, so the calculator like can do it for us, or we can do it. Okay, so and a population proportion. So that is the main thing we can study for that. But that's one a little harder, a little bit harder. So let me go for this one. So this one is chapter 1. And then we have data collect obvious as information. So this one we can have a quantities. Oh, quantitative. And we have quantitative. So we have discourse. And this one is continuous. And we have a qualitative. So this one is called to genius labor. So we have a quantitative. It's numerical. So this one we know this it should be like we can add them up like 90220 and plus and 90807. So whatever we have in here, so this one is no meaning. So this one is no meaning. So that's a quantity for no meaning. And the script. So this one is we will get for the chapter, I think chapter 3 up to chapter 5. That's how we learn for this. And this one, the script, this one is it can be count. So we have a number of a car in the whole house and a number of a student at the ABC college. And also we have a number of cats in Compton College. And also this one is number of children in Los Angeles. So or because this one is they can be count. So the number of cars per house, somehow they have what? They have 0, they have 1, they have 2, they have 3, they have 4, or sometimes etc. So this one, so they have for that. And a continuous. The continuous. So the speed of a car, amount of a sugar in energy, and we can have the length of a human pregnancy. Or temperature. So for continuous, so this one so it can not be count. But it can be measurement. Measure. Okay. For example, speed of car is 65 mile per hour. So or they because they cannot be exact. So this one should be like impossible to be exact, right? So impossible to be exact. So we just measurements. So this one between 60 to 70. So this one is the possible. It's possible. Um, sometime we got 61, 6.1 or 6, 60.13, something like that. So let's go for more. And a quantitative category. So this one we can say, remember, I just copied out for the quantitative. So quantitative. So this one is a qualitative. So like dimension or Christian or Democrats or Christian. So this one should be in chapter 6 to chapter 10. We can study for that. So for the zip code, for the zip code, for example, 90210, religion, we can say Christian, something more political, affiliation. Um, we can say eye color and nationality. So the level of measurements, the quality, category, um, categorical. So we can have quantity, categorical. So nominal, no natural order. So we can say this one as no universal agreement. Agreement first. And we have a Democrat, Republican. We have a car model. We have gender. Um, cell phone. So ordinal can be order. So we can this one. So can be order this one. We can say the universal agreement. Um, so this one should be great. Like, and we can say A less greater than B, greater than C, and etc. Oh, size, a small, medium, large, extra large, military, military racing. So quantitative, the numerical. Oh, intervals. 0 is not defined. So and also we have the IQ test or the temperature. Um, year. So this one we can say the ZOF, the eclipse off. This one, the so we have one, we have two, we have three. So this one we can say 100, 200, and this one is 0. Or we have the degrees is 40 degrees, 80 degrees, and 0 degrees. So restaurant, 0 view. Oh, we can have minus 10 degrees, 0 degrees, 40 degrees, 75 degrees. And now we can go for the ratio, the real zero way series. So the ratio, for example, Democrats or the Christian, and we can have speed is of car, the number of cat in Compton, length of our class, and age, and etc. So for population is the collect of a possible outcome to study like score, people, measurement, and etc. So parameter, the number, the shape, population, or characteristic. So we can so we have mean, mu. This one is mean. For example, the mean, for example, mu equal like for each student, we get for each like 18 plus 20 plus and etc. over 34 million. So this one is very hard. So sigma square as this is variance, and P population, proportion, sorry, proportion, proportion. So for this one is we can go back for the age. So the average age of California. So this one we can say 20,000, or we can say doable. So, and for sample, so a sub collection of population. So this one, basically this one is statistic. So we have like statistic, the numerous description for sample characters. So we got X bar. So this one is mean, and S square. This is a variance, and P hat. This is proportion. So this one, how they related. Say for parameter, so we have a mu. So that's the mean. So we go with this mu or X bar, and sigma square. We go with the S square, and proportion we go with P hat. So in data collection sample method, so random sampling. So we got a random sampling. We pick out a random sampling. All member population have equal change. So to be select. Like raffle, right? We can do with a raffle or pick from a hat. Pick from a hat. Systematic sampling. Select every case member in population. So we can say, for some of example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 20, 21, 22. We got 199 and 200. So this one is the sample. So we can pick randomly, pick one of the randomly. We can pick one of the randomly. Pick one randomly. So we can select 10 people. I like 2, 22, 42, 62, and etc. as 182. That is, we collect the data. The stratified similarly. So divide population in subgroup strata according to some characteristic. The select random each subgroup. So we have right here characteristic. So we have like male, female, and we can have Democrats, and we can have the Republican. So for example, we can go with this. And we have all this. So this one is male. So we have male and female. So we can pick some of this one. And we can devise another one to the for loop. So we can do that. Or the cluster sampling. So divide the population section into section or cluster. And then select one or more cluster random and using all the number in the cluster. So we have right here, for example, Beverly Hill, or we can have right here, this one at Compton, or we can have right here, this one is Long Beach. And this one is right here is Linwood. So we can pick randomly. For example, I pick this. So basically I pick this one. So thank you very much. This one is the end of chapter 1. Thank you.